Hi Year 8, sorry I can't be there today. The file that you're going to need is as follows: My Computer, Shared Resources, and if you scroll down to Design Technology, then the usual place, Find a Project, so Year 8 Suite Dispenser, and then you're looking for your logo design template. That is actually in your book on page 8. Okay, you can end up with 4 pages. The top 3 are examples that I've done, and then number 4, slide 4 says this is the work where you need to create your design. So you're trying to create the design that is going from your book page 6 sketch to your final artwork. So I'm going to show you how I've designed this one here. So I've just drawn a circle. I've done a line weight on the outside in blue, and then I've done a drop shadow. So I'm just using the format shapes across the top here, a bevel to put a 3D edge on it. Okay, I'll zoom in to show you here. I'm then going to insert some text. So text box, draw a text box, write in the word candy in capital letters. Okay, highlight this, then go to bold, increase the size. Okay, you can move it an angle if you wish to. Move it into the center. Still going to make it bigger. Expand the box. Get it centered, and then format. And we're going to go to fill the text. In this case, it's going to be pink. And then outline the text, which I'm going to be black. And I'm going to use a bit of line weighting just to make sure the line is slightly fatter on the outside. Text effects, again, you can shadow it. If you want to be clever, you can go down to transform and you can sort of expand and twist it. So that's what I'm going to go with to start off with. I now need to look at the insert of the other words. So I'm going to use candy and then crush. So again, capital letters. Alright, so highlight, choose a text, go for Arial black, increase the size of it. Okay, change the color. Not happy with that red, so I'm going to go into format and then text fill. Find a purple, text outline, and then a line weight, so in black. Okay, I'm going to change that to white to make it look a bit better. Move that up. Move that to one side, and then text effects. I'm actually going to do a shadow and then put in a glow. More options, and then nice pink glow around the outside. And then background I'm not too happy with, don't like the yellow, so I'm going to change that. Pink's going to mix in with the other one, so I'm just going to go around. Yeah, that looks a much better background. So what we now need to do is to go onto the Google and to look at some clip art. So I'm going to type in candy clip art and then go onto images and choose a pink suite. I'm going to right mouse click, copy image, back to my PowerPoint, right mouse click, paste. It's coming quite large, so scale it. Go to format at the top, remove background on the left, and then enlarge it around the background and then remove it. Okay, put a little drop shadow underneath it as well using the format, and then I'm going to position this where I'd like it to go on the logo. So one here, copy paste, doesn't really fit there, so maybe move it to the top. We'll see as we go along. Now one of the things you also need to do is to add your avatar. Okay, I'm just going to change the outline and the weight of this so it just pops out a little bit more. So changing your avatar, if you find your avatar that you've saved on your user area, this was my bad avatar here. Okay, copy it, paste it. Okay, I don't need the green background, so I'm going to remove that. Format, remove background. Be careful when you do this because it can remove things you don't want, like that. Areas are missing there, so mark areas to keep, draw across. You can see it's got rid of my eyebrows there, so I can draw those in. And then my shirt and tie seems to be missing. Just draw a line across and hopefully that will pick that out. A little bit of trial and error, and that works okay. Click off that, scale it, put it in the place where you'd like it to go. Now we want to move the others to the front, so I'm just going to click these here and then right mouse click and then bring to front. That'll bring it above me now. Scale it accordingly, move it all around in the right position. Now I've got part of my head missing, so I'm going to put a top hat on there. So if you type in pink top hat or whatever you're looking for, now sometimes that will bring in a photo, which is not ideal. So what we can do is then change the pink top hat to read pink top hat, and then use the word clip art because it will give you a graphic then. And there you go, that's perfect. Right mouse click, copy the image. Remove the background, so format, remove background, position it. Okay, click off it. And then I'm just going to scale that and put that into the background. Okay, so going from a very simple sketch, a few little tweaks here and there, you can see that's created. So in terms of printing, remember to print current slide. The printer is KCA Design. Change the printer properties to color. Press OK and then press print. Mr. Molyneux will help you get the printouts. And then if you go on to page 8, you can do the starter, and then I just need you to stick your logo in that area on page 8. Thank you.